Hey everybody, it is Sunday morning and time to kick off another What I Wore video. So Wyatt and I are kicking this off. I'm sure hopefully you'll see Zena at some point during this video. The sun is hitting me right in my eyes, so I feel like I need sunglasses. Huh, Wyatt? Yes, we both do, don't we? So it's going to be a super pretty day today, 80 and sunny, and I have a lot of work to do. So I have back-to-back travel weeks coming up. I'm leaving super early in the morning tomorrow to catch a flight. I have a conference this week, and I'm a bit stressed, but it will all be good. So for today, I kept it simple. I have on a Pixley dress from a Stitch Fix and a pair of Dolce Vita sandals that I got from Nordstrom. Aren't those cute? Love the animal print pattern. And that's basically it for today. So let me share. Wyatt. Sunny, huh, buddy? It's still going to be so pretty. I love the sun. So this is a basic, and I'm in the shadows. Alright, at least I'm not squinting now. Basic, cute little pull-on pink dress. Has this little lace here in the front. Elastic waist. Little bit flowy at the bottom. I do have some wide hair, but not too much. Here's the full outfit. Keeping it pretty simple. I think it actually matches my nails, doesn't it? Alright, so I hope your week starts off well. I'm back to squinting at you. And hopefully I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. I'll do my best, but I think I'm leaving my house about 4 a.m. So we'll see if I can capture that outfit or not. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday morning and I have a flight to catch, so it is super early, like 5:15 in the morning. So we're going to do this super quick. I have on my Mott Bow super soft, super comfy jeans for my travel day. And I have on a Market & Spruce sleeveless top. It's actually, yeah, super, this one's, I'm using the word super a lot this morning, aren't I? This one is very soft and comfortable. And I have on my Marrakech. I got this in a Stitch Fix, the top, Market & Spruce. The jacket is from a Trendsend. It's a Marrakech, also very soft and comfortable for travel. And I brought this jacket because I have some other items I'm going to wear it with. Including a black dress. I thought that would look nice while I'm traveling. And then I have one of my Kenneth sandals in light pink and tan. And that's my outfit for today. So here it is. I tucked my top in. I just have on a necklace from Brighton. Here's the close-up. Love this jacket. Going into fall, it'll have a lot of uses, I think, and go with a lot of colors. I found so many tops that this would go with. I decided to go with this light pink just to brighten it up a little bit. And then these shoes are just comfortable again for travel. And this is just one less thing to check. It was one less thing I had to pack. It's a little cool this morning, but it is going to be warm, and where I'm headed is going to be warm. But it's always cool on the plane, it's cool in the airport, and it's cool inside. So, all right. Hope your week starts off well. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Hello from Las Vegas. I am at a conference and I'm bringing you outfit of the day. And I'm still trying to figure out the perfect place to put this camera without my tripod in my room. So we're trying this out. So my conference is business casual, and that is what I am. I have on a skirt from the Loft, a jean jacket cut from the cloth from Trendsend with a tank under it, also from Trendsend. And I have my Halogen slides on with it in the yellow. And that is my outfit for Tuesday. So let me share. So this is a really nice, super easy tank, which I wear frequently, that I got from Trendsend. And then I have it on with this skirt that I had not worn yet, so I brought it with me from the Loft, with all these fun colors in it, including the yellow, hence the shoes. And of course it's always cold, So I have a jacket, and this is my outfit. So I hope everyone's week's going well, and I will be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. I'm not even sure anymore. I've been inside for so long it feels like one continuous day, but it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day, and I have on a dress from White House Black Market. I have on my something navy black shoes you guys have seen before. I have to wear comfortable shoes because I do a ton of walking while I'm here. And I brought a black blazer also from White House Black Market because it has been super cold inside. I think it's like 105 outside, but I haven't seen daylight in days. So here is my outfit for Wednesday. So this is a matte jersey comfy dress. With these, it's pink and white and black, actually several shades of pink. Hopefully you guys can see me. I cannot find a good place in my room that gives really good light here, but yeah, super easy wear dress. Here's the close-up. Hopefully this is the full view. I'm so far away it feels. And here's my blazer. It's a longer one since it's so cool, but it is a 3/4 sleeve. It even has like ruching here on the sleeves. And it has some colored stitching on the side here, if you guys can see that by the pockets. I think that's kind of a nice little detail, but I love how long it is since it has been so cold. So this is my outfit. So I hope you all are having an awesome week, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday and I am heading home. So it is time for outfit of the day before I check out and get to the airport. And for today, I am pretty casual. I have on a black tank from Brave by, I believe it's Allison Joy. I have a camo skirt on from Brave. Both were in a Trendsend. I have on my Sandals flip-flops. You guys know how much I love these. They're perfect for traveling. And I also have my denim jacket that you saw earlier this week, which is also from a Trendsend, but is cut from the cloth. I have on my Brighton necklaces, and my bracelets are Touchstone by Swarovski, and this one is Nadri. I got in a trunk club. So here's my outfit for Thursday. Love this skirt. It is very comfortable. Drawstring waist, has the pockets. Yeah, great for traveling. Here's the full outfit. Here's my jean jacket. It'll be super hot once I get outside, but cold once I get back inside. That has been how it is all week this week. So here's my outfit. I'm anxious to get home. It's been a long week. My sleep is all messed up, and I've just been tired all week. So hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. No, I guess we have 2 more outfits. Today's only Thursday. All right, guys. Bye. Hey everyone, look who's here with me. I'm home. Yay, he missed me. My husband said he was super mopey the whole week, and then when I got home, he's been so happy and excited. Isn't that sweet? So it's Friday, and time for outfit of the day, and I'm so happy it's Friday, and it is beautiful outside, and I have not really seen outside all week, so I wish I could stay outside. But I have a ton of work to do, because, you know, you go to a conference, and the work doesn't stop, it just piles. So for today, I am casual. I have on a pair of Dear John pink shorts that I got last year in a mix and match. I have on a Loft top. I hadn't got a chance to wear it yet this year, so I wore it. It has like pinks and yellows and like a kind of a greenish color and gray. And I have on sandals that are Guess. Look, I'm wearing them out. And that is my outfit. So let me share. I've been sitting all day already. It's like after lunch. This is the first opportunity I got to come outside. So, comfy shorts. It's like 80 degrees outside. These little ruffly top. I tucked it in because it's kind of flowy and long. And then my little sandals, since I'm being casual, and that's it. So I hope you had an amazing week, and you're going to have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everyone, it is Saturday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. So it is going to be really nice today, but it just got done raining, so it's a little bit cool. Wyatt's paws are a little bit wet because he had to go explore as soon as we got outside. Yes, you did. But it's going to end up being nice today. So I think it's going to get into 80 and sunny in a couple hours. So that'll be nice. I'm off to breakfast with my friend. I have a dress on from Bar 3 that I got at Macy's last year, I think, maybe the year before. And I have on a pair of sandals that are Lucky. I also think I got these last year. I love these. They have like the 3 different colors. Kind of like the shiny mauvey pink, and then tan. And that's my outfit for today. I'm keeping it simple. So let me share. So this dress is nice and easy. It does have this little tie belt. It has these nice little drapey pockets here. And then lots of fun colors in it. Here's the dress, and then the full view. And this is my outfit for today. So this wraps up another What I Wore video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have a favorite. I think my favorite this week was Monday's outfit for traveling because I wore that outfit for about 17, 18 hours and it was so comfortable. Those Mott Bow jeans are amazing. They're comparable to like $200 7 for All Mankind or Page jeans, and I think they're around $110. They were amazing. Held their shape, so comfortable. I was exhausted by the end of the day and I could have just slept in them. That's how comfortable they were. And that Marrakech jacket from Trendsend, love. So I think those were that was my favorite outfit. I could have worn that one all week because I was cold all week too because I was inside. So I think that's my favorite outfit this week. So I'm glad I have some really nice pieces going into fall with those jeans and that jacket. But I'm not ready to let go of summer just yet, so I'm going to keep holding on to my warm weather pieces for as long as I can. But I will list all the items that I wore down below. I'll put links where I can in case you want to check any of the pieces out. I hope you enjoyed this. Please consider hitting that like button. I would love you to hang around and click that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.